You have seen me riding the bike most of the times when I travel, but this time I'm traveling by car, and it's my friend's car. She's just
Hi.
and we're just going to explore the place. I think there are 2 waterfalls there, so let's go. I have reached Ardona now. So what are you eating?
I am eating quinoa and this salad mix.
Can I see it?
Yes, sure. Quinoa. We're supposed to mix the two, but I haven't mixed them actually. This has bell peppers and carrots, like stir fry, with paprika, salt, pepper, little bit of tomato ketchup, and salt. I think that's about it. Yeah.
So we have halted at Kojem Fort just to have the food that she has got for us. So yeah, we'll just have it and then we'll get moving. It's about a 45 minutes journey from here, I guess, less than. Yeah. I guess we are about to reach because I can see a hill. It should be on the left hand side of the waterfall. What I remember, but I don't know if you're going on the right track. Oops. Okay. No, there was rice. Someone has kept for drying.
So are we lost, Sangam?
I guess we are.
This is our friend here trying to help us.
Yeah. अबे वो रे वॉक है था वो ना ना म्हणजे हांव कित्याक म्हाका शेणलो बी जाल्यार मागीर प्रॉब्लम म्हणून दाखय हांव तो बरो आसा मरे पूण म्हाका फक्त चलपाक चड नाका म्हणून भितर गुड इनफ हय हय तो बरो आसा हांगाच्यान खंय वचप कितले पयस ओके ओके तुझे विश्वजीत थँक यू बाय आमो दिस इज जॅकफ्रूट
It looks like we're entering in the mountain.
ओ भितर गाडी खंय करू वयता कॅनल आसा थंय वॉटरफॉल ना चड पयस आसा वॉटरफॉल हां 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 बरें थँक्यू हां हां थँक्यू
It looks like such a hidden place.
hidden place but new place I hope it better be good
Yeah, it's fine. This is a part of adventure, right?
चड पयस आसा रे वयर हां 2 आसा वयर बरें ओके everybody is saying 10 minutes and just to give an update we had left from home to go to Saleli waterfall but we have ended at Morlem. The place better be worth.
Oh, you want to upload this video?
No, I will. So these people, some of the mates have gone ahead. They have collected so much garbage in this place. Really nice.
Yes, sure. We will definitely collect it, yes.
Thank you so much.
Such an amazing job.
From here only, Harvalam.
make you like famous on YouTube. Yeah, it's such a good thing that you guys are doing.
I'm a local over here. I'm
Okay.
from the next village, Havalan.
Okay, I know where's Harvalim. There's another waterfall there, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's
This
really
is my sister-in-law.
okay.
She's come from Kalango to visit me, so she said let's go to the waterfall. So every time they come here,
They find mess and they clean up.
yeah, they carry the garbage bags with them. Okay, the empty bags,
Yeah.
and they collect the garbage and they take it back home. But this time the local over here, they said just keep it near the main parking area,
Okay.
and the panchayat will collect the bags.
That's
Water
nice.
bottles, beer bottles.
People leave it there.
Yes,
That's
and
something
there
that
were
you shouldn't
broken
do
bottles
actually.
There are more people. We had seen some more people also like, ahead.
Yes, my
They were with you all?
mother-in-law,
Okay.
Okay.
his son,
Huh.
carried the bags because they are heavy.
Yeah, but, yeah.
There are still no bags, but we
We'll try to get. We have a bag as well, so we'll try to get.
Thank you so
I
much.
think, yeah.
Ma'am, your name?
Namrata.
Oh,
Thank you so much, Amrita.
Thank you. This is my
Bye-bye.
sister.
hi. So there are lovely people here doing lovely things, collecting garbage. We just met few just now. I first thought they are not locals, but she told us that she's from Harvalem. Harvalem is also famous for a waterfall. Right now I can hear water, so I think we are nearing the place. It's about 4 o'clock now. I don't really know, but yeah. Okay. So I'll just put my camera off for some time and see the water body, search the water body where exactly it is. And then I'm going to continue the video. These people were so right. We don't deserve such places because this is what we give it in return. And I don't blame the locals for not allowing people to come to these villages because this is clearly what they don't deserve in return. So finally we have made to the waterfall. It's good, pretty. It's nice. So we decided to go a little ahead on top because there are too many people here and there's literally no place to sit in the water. I hope there's a better place on top. We are still going higher because there are groups of people everywhere and the next stop we're going to halt
Or not.
if there are no people. Be very careful when you're going down. Yeah, I'm telling you only. This is a crazy place, man. Crazy place. Thank God we didn't settle down. Yeah, except for this, but it goes still down there. We have had a good time at the waterfall. The water was really clean and we had gone on the top. So it was a very clean place. I hope to see you in the next video. We are going back. I hope you like this video. Please check my channel, check my other videos also. See you.